Is your Toyota Yaris alarm constantly going off? Common causes are faulty door hood switches and sensitive interior sensors. Start by inspecting the door and hood switches for dirt, corrosion, or damage. Use a multimeter to check for continuity. Resistance should be near 0 ohms when closed. Next, consider interior sensors. Excessive sensitivity or electromagnetic interference can trigger false alarms. To reset the alarm, try cycling the ignition while holding the lock-unlock button on your key fob for 30 seconds. Alternatively, disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the body control module. If problems persist, a deeper dive is needed. When basic resets don't resolve your Yaris alarm issues, it's time to move to more advanced troubleshooting. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to check for body control module or BCM error codes. These codes can specifically identify which sensor is causing the problem. For issues with door or hood switches, replacing the switch itself is often a simple and cost-effective solution. These switches can wear out or get dirty over time. When dealing with interior sensor problems, attempt to recalibrate the sensor's sensitivity settings. This can sometimes resolve false triggers caused by environmental factors. Hybrid Yaris owners should note that the vehicle's battery management system can occasionally interfere with alarm functions, leading to unexpected activations. Looking ahead, Toyota is planning over-the-air or OTA updates for Yaris alarm systems. These updates will allow remote recalibration and fixes through the Toyota app. As preventive maintenance, clean your sensor contacts every 50,000 miles. This regular upkeep helps prevent many alarm issues before they start. If your DIY attempts don't succeed, consult a trusted mechanic. Independent repair shops often provide the same quality service at a lower cost compared to dealerships.